My bad. We have been mute because I forgot to mute before. And yeah, good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Sorry for the mute. So I was saying that the market was recuperating today, like gaining some terrains to the upside. Basically, last week we have this trend line here that we were clearly trending down. We have this gap down here. That was, if I'm not mistaken, that was Monday or Tuesday. So and then it's like today we are clearing up that downtrend line here. So it's gonna be looking a little bit better, I guess. So, but we're gonna have to be nimble. We're gonna have to keep it quiet and see what we can do. As I say, the market do whatever it wants to do. So Mr. Trump yesterday was saying that he was going to make the market rally. Hey, he did it. He got it. And like, yeah, let's take it for what it is. So, yeah, Marie, how are you doing this morning?
I'm doing well, Davy, and you?
I'm doing good, doing good. I sleep. I told you I think I sleep like it was for like precisely 10 hours. So that's pretty cool, and my body definitely feel that.
I
And
love it.
yeah, we're gonna keep it going that way, and I'm gonna try to get some more sleep as we go through. But yeah, all good. As I say, Spy, like, is there anything you're looking at? Like, basically, I don't know. You don't have overnight trades. I don't have any overnight trades more than the Google I have in the other account,
Nope.
which is today fantastic. But yeah, you take it for what it is. So yeah, Marie don't have any trade. Okay, so for the index or the futures, do you have any idea? Long, short?
Well, you'd almost seem, right, that there seems to be a little topish. But when we're looking at, yes, way above the PCL, above all indicators, let me look. So it's still quite early. So when we're looking at SPY, it seems like 690 right now. Right now, 690 to 691 seems to be the max. 691.20. So 691.20, we know that we've talked about that level before, and I'm sure you've got that at your level 2, as a level 2. So
Yeah, like basically, like the market still looks quite bullish right now. So we're gonna keep it like that. We're gonna try to just ride the momentum toward whichever direction it goes. But SPY is looking like that level that you say that you have is at 691 and 69.
okay, I've got 691.40.
691.40. I have 691.69, roughly
Okay.
70. So it's just a 70 cents difference. So it should keep going that way at least for now. But when I look at the futures, let's look at the futures. So in the futures, my level is at 6,992 with 50 cents. So I actually
Okay.
already have an order there because I would like to go short at that level. I know that we are quite far from there right now, but I don't have a clear idea where I would like to go long, if ever. Like, for example, you will say, okay, but it makes sense to go long from whatever it is now toward the 6,992. But the problem is that I don't have where to attach my entry because basically here, if you see, that's a moving average in the 5 minute. That green line here is the 200 moving average, and that green line here is the 200 moving average. This is 1 minute. This is 5 minutes. So in both cases, it's like already gapping up a bit or a little bit too far from the 200 moving average that I cannot take even a small position without getting shaken out. So I'm gonna have to wait for that. If ever it pull back enough, I could be considering the long. But right now, I will be expecting at the open probably a big push and some possible rejection at this level right here. So, but yeah, more than that, I think it's kind of clear. I would like to take a look at Nvidia because Nvidia. Let's go Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia. Yesterday.
That's exactly what I was looking at. So
Nice. Yesterday, Nvidia pushed up like quite good, but it didn't really hold those highs. Like right now here, it's rejecting this 400 moving average, and you can ask yourself why. Basically, like remember that this ticket was trading at 191. So and it's
So
a
just
very
to tell you,
strong
the
fundamental
the
stock.
185 on
Mhm.
the tape seems to be serving
As resistance?
Absolutely, not as support at all, as resistance.
Okay, so I can see. Let's see. Yeah, like 60 lot, 80 lot on Arca. Roughly, yeah, it doesn't have much on INET. But
Okay, when I looked at it, there was 150.
the level I have is at 186. Like,
Okay, so it might have moved
tape-wise
it.
is 196.
Okay.
186, sorry. So let's see how it does. So we have time to do our levels. That's a good thing. So
I like it. I'm looking and I'm reviewing the top stocks. So the top 10 in volume right now. And pretty much look all the same. Where there's a big order at the eye,
mhm.
and then we go to the bid. So
Okay, so for this level, I have already 186 on the tape. I can see on the tape that we have 186 with decent sizes. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go and check my levels for the volume. So I will see if in the volume profile we have any relevant level at 186. So I don't know what is Gasilionari, but like I guess it's like a trading competition. And yeah, I love to watch some of those shows. Like I have watched trading competition thing, but like a 1v1 between Maria and I, she will kick my butt for sure. Like
you're funny.
oh no, like this lady is trading 21 contracts of the futures. That marked my life, you know. That really marked my life.
You are hilarious. Thank you for the laughter.
Are you kidding me? That's a video game. It's a video, like he said, it's a video game about stock and trading.
What?
Oh, I would definitely take a look at
What?
that.
Well,
That-
we've just lost Davey. There
That's
you
a for
go.
sure.
There you go.
Well, like the reason for that is like I do play video games and things like that a lot, and well, a lot when I have time to do it. But like at some point, I asked Maria actually, like it would be nice if there is a video game about stocks, but like I didn't know that there was one. But I will take a look at that for sure. I actually gonna write it down to make sure I take a look at that. So yeah. So NVIDIA, as I say, I'm checking the volume profile for NVIDIA, and I have a level right now on the volume profile at 185.70. 185.70 is below the 186 that for me is a little bit relevant right now. But then we actually have a level at 186. So I actually gonna I'm gonna erase this line. Like I'm gonna erase the 180, or I can just remember that hey, there is a line, but like this is not your level, it's your second level. So I'm gonna try to go short on NVIDIA as well at 186. So I know I am just looking short right now, but today is not like yesterday. Like yesterday I was convinced that I don't wanna go long
Okay.
because of like the fundamentals and things, but today, like because the market like SPY broke the trend, I want to make sure that that if it's gonna be holding above the trend, I am not taking any shorts because you will be going against the trend. So 186. So I'm just gonna drop off the order for NVIDIA. So let's do that quickly. So NVIDIA short at 186. And okay, I need this one. There we go. We have it. So orders are in for everything. I have orders for NVIDIA. I have orders for the futures. So if they don't get filled up, like it's okay. I know those are the good price I should be trading. So
Why are you not showing up?
so are you aware, Marie, if we have any numbers coming out today?
I think we do. I believe we do. They haven't talked about it yet.
Today's
But
Thursday,
if I
right?
remember, yes, if I remember yesterday, we did.
Oh yeah, for sure. We had already GDP growth rate at 830, GDP price index, initial jobless claim, continued jobless claim, core PCE. A lot of numbers came out at 8:30 actually. So let's see forward. Okay, at 10 we're gonna have core PCE price index month to month, and personal income month to month as well. But as I can see, the personal income, we have delayed data, so we're gonna get November, October. Um, yeah, November and October for both, for personal spending and personal income month to month.
Okay.
The same for the PCE. We are getting October, November. Yeah, all that data that we are having at 10:30 is only for October and November. We have to remember that we're January. Like it's just delayed data. So how relevant
Because
it's
of the
going to be?
close, right?
Yeah, because of the shutdown of the government
Mhm.
for like last year.
Absolutely.
So yeah, let's see how we do. So
So Elon is going to be speaking for some reason.
Elon Musk.
Yeah, he's going to have a little bit of.
That's a good question. You know what I'm gonna check right now? Is Donald Trump talking today? Like Donald Trump have like 2 times this week during 2 days. He screwed up my trading because I didn't react fast enough, but it was because of his news. So is Trump talking today? It's funny because we can go and see in his calendar what he's gonna be doing and things like that. Good morning, Forex. How are you doing? I guess that because of your name, you are a Forex trader, huh? You trade Forex? Yeah, I don't find anything. Apparently, Trump is not saying anything this morning.
Okay.
He's not grabbing the mic anywhere else. So we're just gonna try to be patient on that one. So let's see for the futures. Like we keep trying to go higher. So little by little.
So you went short.
I am not short yet. I have an order to go short. But I don't have a lot of conviction.
Your short is at 6.9 60.50
for which one?
for the futures.
For the futures, my order is at 6,992 with 50
For the short.
for the short. But if it interact with the 200 moving average, I could try to take a little, like for example, I'm shorting 10 contracts here, but I will be going long with way less than that, just because of how extended the move is toward the upside. So I'm expecting the trend to be tested today. So basically, when we look at SPY here in the 60-minute, we can see that like this is a 60-minute chart. Basically, the reason why I have no more reasons to be looking for long right now for shorts is because like this is a strong trend line that we had here previously, and we are kind of escaping that already. So we gapped down all the way down. We came back, we tested yesterday, and we found the breaks right there. And now we are just trading above very quiet. You don't see massive shorts going from there. Like you don't see the stock price, like the actual ETF price, going down from here. So the fact that nobody have jumped the trigger yet is telling me probably we're gonna have some continuation toward the long, and yeah, we're just gonna have to wait because it's probably gonna be noisy at the open. Do you have a favorite side today, like long, short? Like
Short.
what is your take? Short too?
Mm-hmm.
Like the best way to say probably short but gentle, you know? If you are wrong in the short, don't press it today.
Exactly.
It's not a day to press it. Like I have a level before where I had my order, and my level is at 6,970
Okay, I've got
with
60.
50 cents. Okay.
I'm not sure if there's going to be a pop in a reverse, eh? It's almost. Let me look at. Well, Palantir came out with amazing numbers.
Oh yeah? I have a long time without trading Palantir. That 60-minute chart get the data crazy whenever I have it. So I should pass from. Yeah, there we go. I see. Yeah, it's gapping up. Yeah, they had earnings yesterday, I guess, or this morning. The earnings from Palantir was yesterday or this morning?
Well, he's talking. I didn't hear about when it came out. He's just talking about it.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it right now.
And apparently, a lot of their profit is going to be going back to the States because they're involved in the company.
Mm-hmm.
So. So he's not
Okay.
there?
No.
Zach?
Zach is not there yet, no. So basically, we have a upgrade for Palantir that just came in today, this morning.
Okay, so it was this morning.
So,
Wasn't sure for yesterday.
but the earnings, the actual earnings, is February 2nd. So until February 2nd, there is no earnings for Palantir.
Okay.
So I guess like they are still doing pretty good. Like that's something we know. Like these people are making a lot of money right now. And it's funny because most of their contracts are still from the government. And but like that app that they are working on with AI to track like illegal things, that's gonna put a lot of money under your pocket. That's for sure. So okay, so Nvidia. But there are a couple days yet. Like we have roughly 10 days for the earnings.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to be patient on that one. Like I don't know if I would like to go long as a swing, but like Google is holding pretty good. The fact that yesterday Google finished the day above 329 for me is very relevant. I think it's just a confirmation that this level is as strong. Like this is a yearly level for me on Google. So I took a long on Google at 315. This is my entry price.
Okay.
And I still have that, but that's a swing trade. Like that's not a day trade. So risk management is way different there. So I have as a target that 346. Once Google goes to 346, I will be looking to be out. But that trade has a lot of potential for sure. Like I think it's there is even more than that on that trade. So I think Zach is back. Let's see. Hello.
Hello, hello.
What's up?
Hello.
How are you doing?
Pretty good, you?
Good. Trying to.
I just gotta reset my AirPods.
Okay. All good.
Wow. Well, we've got a few moments to just talk about the sector map. Again,
Pretty green.
it's super green. Super, super green. We've got financial, probably the financial sector is the weakest one, but by saying weak, it's almost flat. So Oracle, PLTR, Microsoft, and Broadcom are the weakest one right now in the market. So we've got a position. It seems like Zach, Davey, and I are looking short. We will see. You've got an order in the future for short.
Mm-hmm.
I have as well.
Yeah, he's resetting his earphones, so I
Mm.
think we have in a couple of minutes.
Ah.
Hello?
Hello.
Hear
Did
me?
you hear what Mary say or not? Hello. We can hear you.
You cannot hear me?
I can.
Yes, we
yes
can.
can hear you pretty good.
Okay. I didn't hear what Mary said.
There we
Okay,
go.
There we go. The casino is open. So, all right. So I just want to see what I want to do with the futures.
Mm-hmm.
Mute this because it's gonna be distracting. Okay, so let's do it this way.
Okay, so we've got a
Order
poll
filled.
here. Your order's been filled
Mm-hmm.
for the short?
No, I got a loan, but like it's one contract. I will be adding little by little, but it's just
Okay.
like short. There will be 10 contracts, but long I don't want to risk that much. So
Have you seen my guy what Donald Trump posted yesterday?
no, what did he say?
I don't know if you know, but you got smoke in Intel because of him too.
Oh yeah, I knew that it was because of him, but I
You know what he
didn't
posted?
know what he posted.
He posted an AI image
Mm-hmm.
of him trading Intel,
Mm-hmm.
and he was buying at 20 and selling at 30. And that's exactly what he did. The market, it went from 20 to 30.
Could you imagine that? Like I knew because at some point I was making fun saying like, oh, those politicians they don't know how to buy. Like you remember how like it's just dumb things, you know. But like it's market insight, it's manipulation. It's just like I one of the reasons why I was annoyed by that trade was because I shouldn't be trading Intel when I know that this guy have his hands on it. So
I got my position by the penny.
the short.
Mm-hmm. We'll see what's going to happen there.
I have the order to be out on that one. I don't believe a lot on it. So I got the short on Nvidia as well. Buy the penny. That's the magic of looking at the level when you have a clear order tape, like order in the tape. Like I say to you guys, like I wanna see if the level have like we saw the level in the tape, but then I say I wanna look in the volume profile if there is any decent level there. Look at that beautiful entry that I got on. Maybe too conservative, but like I am being conservative today because of the
Wow.
smoke yesterday. I got smoked yesterday, pretty big, you know. So and yeah, so So I'm just trying to be more gentle until I recuperate a little bit of that. So right, I'm gonna add another contract to this bad boy. Oh, should I have to go market order? Okay, so cancel. How do I cancel the order I have?
I'm long.
Yeah, I am going long too.
Order filled.
There we go. I just add a little bit there. It's a lousy trade, but it's okay. It's probably just a 1 to 2, that one. But Marie got the short, if I'm not mistaken. All right, for Nvidia, we're gonna start. We're gonna start taking partial on Nvidia. There we go, man. Like, can you take a freaking better trade than that trade on Nvidia?
Okay.
Oh, and I add by mistake. I'm sorry. Now I'm breaking even because of that mistake. But I'm gonna have to wait for it. Man, I pressed the wrong hotkey. It's okay. I can handle it. So, lower. Go lower a bit, my guy. There we go. There we go.
Yeah, it's going down.
There we go.
I took a partial. I'm gonna be selling. I'm gonna take another partial shortly.
Nice.
I got my position by literally the quarter cent. Amazing.
Pretty nice.
It was.
Pretty nice.
And there's another one.
Another partial? Nice. I won't be compromising much on the future trade because I didn't like it. I have a long list, so I just don't like the long, and but like I have to be gentle too because for the short I want to be gentle too. So let's see how we do. Yeah, this one I don't have to look at it for now. So probably in Nvidia I do have to look at because I have to add. I want to add on Nvidia. And I want to look at the tape to see exactly where I would like to add. And that add is at 184.70 just to make sure I can get it. So 184.70. It's a limit order. I want to add at 184.70. There we go. Order is in to add my partial. If it does just keep going down, I'm just going to be partially more and more, little by little. But yeah. Good trading, Marie. Good trading.
Thank you, Davey. You too?
Thank you. It take a big smoke to come back to the principles. Like yesterday, I didn't have fun with that, you know. All right, Nvidia has a big level at 183.69. So 183.69 is a big level for Nvidia. It's actually the POC.
Oh, wow.
So I'm just gonna mark the POC there because I don't want to get smoked by the POC. So 183.64. Good morning, Kane. How are you doing? There we go. That's the level that if you break, it will get a little bit more flushy. Okay, I have to put the line again. So if Nvidia break 183, that's why I put the blue line here to know that it's a major level.
Okay.
183.64. I just got my ad. If you see right here, roughly at the 200 moving average. I got my ad. So stop loss. There we go. We just readjust the stop loss. Okay. All right, Nvidia broke through the level, so yeah, right now I
I'm
can.
a long on VWAP.
What was that?
I missed the long on VWAP.
Okay.
Almost entered. Would have been great.
Yeah, my long is doing good, but it's probably too conservative. But like, as I say, I have a reason why to go that conservative. Like, there is a major level. I don't know if you were here. Did I show you my major level for the index for the futures?
No.
It's at 696,992.
I'm gonna go short, but we need to have a clear level. It's getting closer to that. We'll do 1 hour chart and we will see.
I need some coffee.
What?
I need some coffee.
How's the headache?
Kicking in. Probably I should be out of Nvidia, like, because I am risking to take a loss because of the mistake I did here. When I add by mistake here,
Okay.
my average price came out like badly. It came down, like it averaging a little bit too much. So but let's see what it wants to do. So in the indexes, like in the future, sorry, it's a little bit waggy, but let's see. So I will be adding more to the long limit if ever you come back to my entry.
To what?
Like if you come back to 6,956.75, I will be going. I will be adding. There we go. Orders in. Why didn't you get it?
Took a partial.
Order filled.
That's for Marie.
Look at where I went short.
Nice.
Order filled.
Oh, and let's take another one. Woo!
There we go.
Patience, patience.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you. I went 5 contract and then added 10.
Nice.
When the candle, we lost a certain level, I said, okay, let's go big or go home. Now
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
break.
So I bought the 200 moving average. Let's see.
I'm gonna break. No, I'm not even breaking even. Yeah, let's take half har. Oh, this was sweet.
That was a big flush.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
That was sweet.
What is this? This is trading. We do trading here, do day trading and swing trading too, but like day trading most of the time. So we are trading futures in Top Step, and we are trading equities, stocks on DAS. So or interactive broker, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so we are going short on Nvidia, and we are going long in the futures.
Aurora is breaking the level that is stuck on.
Yeah, it's today it's at 4.8%. I see.
Mm-hmm.
Like, nice trade, my guy.
Yeah,
What
it's on the
happened?
red on top. It's still on the red, but it's coming back.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, we've got that flip there. That's not flipping yet. That's not going back up yet. I have no signs to get out of this yet, so let's hold.
Yeah, I am holding the.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, I guess somebody need to try something with a higher success rate. In our case, we are beyond that threshold, so it's okay.
What?
Somebody in the chat say that we need to try something with a higher success rate, but yeah, it's understandable for sure. Yeah, it's like
So sweet.
yeah.
Let's go.
So the futures keep going down. If you break again, I am not taking more trades on the futures for now. So I will wait for it to go lower. But man, like it's
Oh,
it's
so
pulling back a lot.
sweet!
Yeah, Mary's printing a house there with her short. So
Took another partial.
nice.
Here we go.
I love the acting. Yeah, for sure.
The what?
The guy in the chat is loving the acting.
Acting
Yeah.
or action?
No, the acting. Yeah, that's why he. I guess he doesn't have something better to do. That's okay.
Oh God, this is nice. Okay, so we still have the RSI still going down.
So Nvidia keep going down right now, so that's good. Can I take another partial right there?
Good job.
We.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's
Order
go.
filled.
So I got out of the future, and as I say, I am not taking more trades in the future unless you go to a more relevant point. So let's see.
Okay, so the next level here on the futures that I have. Oh no. Oh yeah, it's not that far. Okay, it's not that far from there. So it's not that far. It's not that far. 6933. It's not that far. Oh, me gusta.
Zach, you are going short too?
I'm not in the short. I'm trying to get in on the pullback.
Mm-hmm.
If there's any. But
I've-
But you are looking short or long?
I'm looking both ways, my guy.
Both ways. Gotcha.
I don't have a bias.
Okay. Understood.
The market will tell me.
So I'm gonna move my stop loss to keep 2 hours. It's far enough that. Holy crap. Okay, it's approaching the 933 I was talking about. I am going to be taking another one there. And there it goes.
Nice.
Here we go. 4 hours. Let's do this. I've got 4 hours.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
So
Yeah,
that's the
we've-
200 moving average there.
We've
for,
got a little bit of slowdown, but not by much. Holy. Okay, so still interacting with the 633 I was talking about. So that has been prior a level of
Order filled.
support. So we'll see what's going to happen there. We found some buyers, some interest at that
Yeah.
level at the 933. Did you see that?
Like right now, right there is the 5 minute 200 moving
Okay.
average. So
Okay, so I'm gonna move again my stop loss to be able to take a little bit more. A smoke could be to a 1.5. Right about that candle. There we go.
So I'm adding to Nvidia one more time. There we go.
So I should be flipping right there to the long, but I'm not going to be until it reaches my stop loss of 1.5R. And which is just above that candle. Wow, eh? Now that's a 2-minute candle.
Yeah. Even Nvidia is like trying to break the trend.
Mm-hmm. And if it gets me up at that, that'll be great. That will be a almost 6-hour trade.
Oh yeah.
Right above that candle, get me up.
Pretty cool stuff. Doo-doo-dum.
There we go. That's a good trade.
Maria, Maria.
So I'll look for the signal.
I think Nvidia need to be going down yet.
Wow, 633 exactly. So let me put that there. So 7 minutes to PCE, right? So we're very, very
Yeah.
close. So what's
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got
Really?
more. I got more. Yeah, I got more. Thank you, buddy.
you what?
No, Zach is telling me that my order got filled.
Mm.
And he said got a little bit more.
Okay. You added?
And I will add more.
Order filled.
There we go. Though I will be partially faster.
I like that.
I think the market will stall, waiting for the news, maybe.
Right now, you're not far off. When we're looking at the balance of power, it seems that it's going to be a slowdown. It's about 0, and the RSI is about 46, so it's kind of a I guess
Neutral.
maybe you could be right? They're waiting for the news.
Blah.
Okay, we do have a what's the bottom of that level? Yeah, still 933. But we're going to be okay. So definitely the balance of power now is with the sellers.
Order filled.
What the heck?
Ooh.
Why did I get
Pull
blown?
back. I need to pull back. What's wrong?
Well, 933 still. Did you say you got locked?
Yeah,
933 still seems.
that
to
trading thing is wrong. Yeah, I see what it does. I won't use it anymore. The trailing stop that we put yesterday is trailing the overall PNL now based in the real life. So that's kind of stupid, but yeah. So I have to remove it.
Okay, so 933 is gonna be pushed through. Wow, that level is strong. The 933, I'm going to be. I've highlighted it.
Mm-hmm.
That was one of my level for today, and at least in the 1 hour.
How did you see that level?
So I've got a 1 hour chart, and in that 1 hour, we've got the volume levels, and at the bottom of one of them, where the buyers run out, is right there at 933. So it's gonna push through though, but not by much. Yeah, let's go. Darn, I came out too early, but I still don't have a clear signal. So right now, we have less than 2 minutes. I still don't have the confirmation. So 933 for me is still a strong for today. With the numbers coming out, I might be taking a long there with a small contract of 5.
Kidding. It's okay. It's okay.
Frustrating.
No, it's good. Like it's just like now we know how it works. So, but
Do you have it showing when you take a trade beside you? Like you see it there, the stop.
Yes, but like it's not that's not a trading stop. That doesn't do what it's supposed to be doing.
Ah, okay.
It's a trailing stop that is based on your daily PNL and not in your position PNL. But it's tracking like it's getting you out based in like if you like let's say if your PNL today went positive 100 and you have a $500 risk, whenever instead of allowing you to go to 500, it will cut you off at 400 because you already make 100.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why it got me out.
Okay.
Did we mix them out? Mm. Did it?
Aren't they good though?
Did you say Zach?
But it's 10. It's 10. And I
Yeah,
see it.
I'm taking. I'm
And it
taking.
did come out. So. Mm.
I'm gonna be all out soon.
It's
I'm
all
actually-
on target almost.
Okay. Well, actually, I'm gonna take a partial, and I'm gonna be breaking even there, and whatever it does is whatever. It
Nice.
does. Because it's too close to the level, so
So are the numbers positive?
These are flat.
they are flat.
Okay.
All on expect. All on forecast.
I just hope this thing doesn't go to 6,819. 16, sorry. Because then it's like, you piece of beep.
Aurora, 6% up.
Yeah, I 6% up. That's pretty cool, man.
I think it's because of I think new like to insure your car when it's autopilot,
Mm-hmm.
they announced that it's going to be 50%
Cheaper.
cheaper.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, because AI make less mistakes than humans. It's like,
Wow. That's impressive.
that's pretty cool stuff. I saw Tony Robbins talking in the Daily CEO.
Really?
The Daily CEO. That was pretty cool. I hear that even before it was approved, but like, because they knew like it's separate like it's, yeah, if AI doesn't have accidents, why would have to pay the same amount in insurance, you know?
So Aurora is big because for truckmen, insurance must be super expensive.
Yeah.
Oh, no kidding. What is happening?
So yeah, I guess the news is well taken.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna double check for Nvidia because it's holding good there, so I don't want to be smoked by that one. Well, I won't be able to get smoked because I am breaking even. But my question is, do I want to hold it or do I want to be out of it? I probably want to add more of the VWAP. It didn't interact with the level. That blue line is a yearly level. Okay, yeah, it is interacting with that level. Is that correct? Let's see. Yeah, well, first, let's be out of the trade because I think it can reverse. So there we go. And secondly, let's go and check if he really wants to hold that level or not. Oh yeah, for sure I want to go long. So I'm gonna go long Nvidia right there. Let's see how much risk do I have. Yeah, it's okay. That thing is perfect. So I flipped my size on Nvidia. I think it's a long. There we go.
So this is where we should see a pop. But nope.
It's funny that. Like,
It's funny that what?
that you are looking short and then you are like, hey, wait for it. But like, the only way I could notice that, like, I put like the levels right now, I'm putting them in different colors.
Mm-hmm.
So like, I see Nvidia holding pretty much around here.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, wait for it. Like, I do have a level here at 183.64, which is the POC. And then I say, like, it's not making lower low and it's bouncing from like a very specific line. And that line, like, is a yearly level. So I say it's a blue line for sure. Like, it's like Google at 329. Like Google at 329, like that level that I'm talking about here. That was a major level, which is holding.
Long.
You're long?
Mm-hmm. From the bottom. See, come back to the pullback that it did at 69.44.
So I tried it twice. And it's still going through. So until I get it really. I try it at every time it goes through. But I might be a little bit late in the trade. But I think now I want to have a clear signal.
You're looking longer.
Yes. I'm looking to go long now.
One of my criteria to go long is that you look long too.
Oh, you're freaking hilarious. Wait a minute.
At least if you say like, but because we are three, and normally Maria and I are opposite direction, like, you're always gonna be with somebody else. Like, you won't get killed alone, so you shouldn't be too concerned about that one.
True.
All right, so let's see what we do. Right now, I just have an Nvidia tray, and as I say, I'm just being careful here. Like, with the future trades, I'm a little bit disappointed on myself too. But like, though today I didn't get blocked, I was testing something, and as I said, like like we kind of don't know how this thing really works on the futures yet.
We're
But,
still experimenting a little bit,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. But like the reason why I say like about the futures, like I really didn't wait for any level for the future. If you see, like my level is this level here. Did it touch it? No. My other level is right here. Did it touch it? No. So why do you have a couple trades before? Because I'm impatient, and you pay the price for those mistakes because that's how trading works. Like, I think with time, like the way that trading works, like it forces you to be like more disciplined, or you're never gonna make it, So, but yeah, I don't want to sound too deterministic. It's just like you see, you made a mistake, you pay the price. Like for
the reflection of your personality or your how you act.
Like for example, in the stocks, I have no red trades. Like today, I went short on Nvidia. Like look at, I'm gonna summarize it a little bit. So I went short on Nvidia here. I add by mistake here. I partial. Then I add again. It went move. Then I partial again. Then I add. Then I partial again. Then I came all out. And then I went back in the long. No red trades, and I have been going both directions in it. But I have wait for the levels. Why the levels are there? Because they are very, like in Nvidia, it's more choppy because Nvidia have been very narrowing. And it got there faster. But like on SPY or like to trade INTC, I know Zach was saying that Trump was talking about INTC. Like it was a meme that you say that you saw? A meme you saw for Nvidia INTC?
I was he posted it down through social, like as a joke.
Okay. So like for example in INTC, I have no reason to trade INTC. I'm gonna tell you now until we get to where, because it's crazy. It's like you never will expect it to go there. So until you go to like at least from what it is right now, I have no trade ideas until you go back to 50.40. So, but hey, c'est ça qui est ça.
C'est ça qui est ça.
Oui. Oh, I have a little. J'ai un peu de français
Oh!
que je pratique aujourd'hui.
Oh, j'aime ça.
Aujourd'hui, je pratique un peu plus comme est-ce que j'écris les mots voudrais, monsieur, madame. Et la question ici est madame, le dernier c'est un E, ou pas E.
Madame?
Madame,
Madame?
c'est
Il n'y a pas de madame.
never.
Ask a question again?
So when you write madame,
Yeah.
at the end it have a E or it doesn't have a E?
It has a E.
It has a E. And there is no
Correct.
occasion where it doesn't have a E.
Correct. Always has an E.
Always have a E. Okay. It's just a muted E. Madame.
See. When the E is at the end,
Okay.
it's very rare that you will have it pronounced.
Okay. And
It will be a silent E.
Okay. Voudrais. At the end, it have a S.
When it finishes with an S, very rare that you pronounce the S.
Okay. In which occasion it doesn't finish with a S?
That you would pronounce?
No. Not the pronunciation, but the writing. when I don't put the S for the writing. Look at you, you are going long?
Yeah, 15 contract.
Hell yeah. So,
Hey,
yeah.
at that level has proven to be. Come on, man. Are you kidding me?
16 contract?
She has 15 contract and her risk is $37.
And I just took a partial
And she took a
on
part.
top of that candle.
Look at you.
So,
A 5. A 5 from the bottom. It's pretty good.
are you laughing at me, Davey?
No,
So
no,
when
no.
the question about the S, what
Yeah.
were you talking about? The
When do I
S.
put the S on Baudelaire and when I don't put it?
So it would be the same as Spanish.
Plural and singular?
Depends on the pronoun.
See, so you know in Spanish, that you've got the tu at the end as an S.
Yeah, tus. Tus
Tus.
is a belonging.
Tu, no. Tu, yo, tu, él,
Yeah.
ella.
Ella.
Okay, so the tu as an S at the end when you do the verb. So hablas. It
Oh.
doesn't have a S in ella. So il n'a pas de S, it's a T.
Unless I'm talking about the other side's belongings. Like, for example, those is tus tazas.
Then you put an S at the end of the tazas. Tas. It's plural. But in the verb, the S at the end only goes for yo. So je et tu.
Okay. But I see that, like,
If it's AI. S-A-I-T.
je voudrais un café is with S.
Oui.
And if I am asking for multiple items, like je voudrais un café et un thé, ce n'est pas, it's the same.
Yes. Because it's a verb.
Okay, it's not the pluralization.
You
It's
see.
the third.
But if you say il voudrait, you have a T. No?
Okay. Il,
after
il
the
or
S?
elle? No. Instead of.
Instead of the S, you have a T. Okay. Il voudrait un café, mon ami. Mon ami. Il voudrait un café, comme ça.
Mon ami voudrait un café.
Oui, mon ami voudrait un café or il voudrait un café.
Okay. Okay.
You don't say mon ami and il.
Okay. Understood.
Not to. It's a,
say
the
one
same
or
in
the other.
Spanish. Right?
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
You wouldn't say mi amigo or mi amiga ella,
Yeah. Yeah. It sounds
right?
weird.
It makes, it doesn't, it's like you're doing something for
You are
nothing.
repeating the same thing. Yeah. It's redundant.
But something you cannot do in French that you can do in Spanish, that's thing I learned, is you can take off like the yo,
Sí,
so you can say soy profesor.
Soy profesor. Yeah.
You cannot say that in French.
no.
In French, you
cannot
have to
say-
say je suis.
Suis professeur.
Okay.
Je suis professeur.
Okay. Oh, très bien,
So
très
you
bien.
cannot take off the je.
Nice.
Yeah, that's, so for you guys, you cut corners on that one?
No, no, no.
No,
it's,
you don't need to
it's
say.
not a slang.
No,
It's a
but
actual,
you in the language,
Yeah.
you remove it because you say, hey, it's in French, never.
Okay. In French, what you have instead is la liaison.
Si.
Okay.
Mais la liaison
It's,
is,
it's just a
it's only,
in the pronunciation.
no, la liaison is only when the
The
first
apostrophe?
letter, yeah, the apostrophe is
J'arrête
only
ici.
when the first letter is a voyelle.
Voyelle. Okay.
Si.
Okay. A vowel.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Hey, Duolingo is kicking my butt for not doing my task, you know.
Oh, is it?
So yeah.
How long is your day streak?
Like I broke it and like I just restarted today, but I can tell you right now.
For Spanish, I have a 63.
Where can I see that?
If you go on the app, on the top, I think the second icon on the top,
Mm-hmm.
is like have a little plane.
Yeah, right now I say 1 because I broke it.
Mhm.
But I cannot see in the past how long I have went. Oh yeah, in the past
Maybe
I
click on
went.
it.
Yeah, in the past my longest have been 3. Yeah, that's so bad.
3 in a row?
Yeah, I only have a story like in a
3
row
days.
3 days.
Mm.
But it's not that I have 3 days. I have a story. Like, I can tell you how many times I have a story right now.
Like I know someone that has like 700 days in Germany.
Hmm
That's crazy.
Yeah, up to now I have a story 6 days, and out of 6 days, it's only 3 on a row. But I only don't use Duolingo. Like right now, Bloody sent me a couple of movies that I want to watch in French. So and yeah, stepping up on that one.
Good job.
It's time to.
Movies in French are so bad compared to English. So.
Well, I see you guys like yourself, like you watch movies in English. It's like
Yeah. And like my mom doesn't, and I think that's what my parents doesn't. That's why maybe they struggle more. But like yeah, movies and series are so much better in
English.
English.
And sometimes it's
Like
not
that.
just because they were made on in English. Sometimes it's just because it's hard to put in words like for example, when we watch a movie in Spanish, like we find that there are jokes that makes no sense, and then you watch it in English, and that's what they were
That's
saying.
what they meant.
But they don't know how to put it in specific words for Spanish sometimes. So my
But I took
trainer
a partial.
nice.
Pumping.
Me too.
Yeah, the other day my parents were listening to The Walking Dead in French.
Mhm.
Ooh la la. I've been listening to it like 11 seasons in English, and then I hear their voice in French. Like,
And you're like, ooh, that's not right.
mhm.
I don't mean to be rude about that, but like for example, maybe it sounds a little bit rude, but like when I listen to the voice in French, it doesn't sound as like for example, you can do this voice like that, like for real, I will be back. Then you hear it in French and je vais retourner. You say like, all right,
It doesn't sound
that
as...
lost the connotation right there,
The only thing I listened in French that was better than English was La Casa de Papel, because it's made in.
In Spanish, yeah. Well, I watched Lupin in French.
Lupin too, yeah.
Yeah, I watched it in like the whole show. I watched it in French because when I watched it, it wasn't available for English.
Okay.
I have to say I enjoy it a lot, and like it does makes like yeah, this is what I'm watching. This is how it sounds like for sure. So this long on Nvidia here, I am waiting for it to keep going, but probably I should be putting my stop loss on Nvidia right below that level because I don't want to get smoke on that one without any needs. So when we look at Nvidia, let's see what price was that. So we have a very clear level on Nvidia at 184.46. 184.46. Yeah. I don't feel comfortable putting my stop loss there now because we are still too close to it. So I want to see it moving away from the 146.46, 184.46, sorry. And then I will be, probably when we go to the 185.70, then I can really consider going to move my stop loss to break even because I am below that price. So what about you, Marie? I know Marie is printing a lot of freaking house in there. Marie is doing fantastic today. And she did fantastic yesterday. Like she finished the day yesterday with 10 hours, and today, oh my God, she's pretty close to 10 hours again. So yeah, it's like the guys in
Are
the
you
chat.
coming to see me in the private jet? So,
Let's do this private jet. Let's do this private jet.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh, you're gonna have to keep paying because if I pay for it, I'm gonna like with that loss I took yesterday. I like yeah.
What is that I think that I've been complaining for a very long time, and poor Davey has been listening to me for a very long time about, hey, it's the account. Hey, it's this. Hey, it's that. And I find, hey, it
Yeah.
got me, okay.
It didn't get you out correctly. I saw
No, did you see that?
that. But this is similar to what happened to me.
That is weird.
Like it across your stop loss and it didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Until it was like way lower.
So, all that
But
to
usually it's still filling you in at the right price.
Oh yeah.
No, it didn't this
No?
time, but now all that to say that I've been complaining about the account. I've been complaining that hey, I'm not able to do what I want to do in there and blah blah blah. So it's like I've been waiting for this for a little bit.
Mhm, yeah,
We'll
yeah,
see
it's
what's
pretty
going
cool stuff.
We'll see what's going to happen. So, was this a smoky move? Let's see. The signals
Might
for
have.
long are still there.
Yeah, I might add soon.
Mm-hmm.
This is that bad boy.
Okay, so
And
I
then
cannot go back down lower than 6928. Okay, so that candle seems to be filling in well, but
I did on that, but that's not the best price I guess I could have got. Yeah, well,
nope. Right there. No. I don't want to say it, but beep.
oh yeah, something
Yep. Little beep.
good. I did a freaking nice head, so I don't do that a lot, and
I like that.
right in the bottom of that candle. I think it can go higher than 44.50, but I'll take like half of what I have there.
Okay.
Like my goal was to get it from the bottom to that point because
Okay.
it was my two levels, but the stochastic, it just the pullback there just said to me like it could go higher. Like it's
Pretty cool stuff.
I do not want to risk more than
cool stuff.
that.
Hey. Nice.
Let's go, buddy.
Let's go.
All right, so let's see. Nvidia, my target right now for Nvidia is 185.70. So I will be taking partials after that.
Go make IRIs. Can do that.
Azzy, how you doing?
No, it's just I am a little bit annoyed, you know, but it's just like it's okay. It's like it's part of trading. It's just like I'm trading freaking Nvidia like a freaking pro, but then I go in other places and I do yucky. I'm blaming myself now for trading the futures the way I traded.
What you mean? The way you traded it?
Yeah, like I had no levels, and but like that's like I sleep a little bit too much, so like no,
That's
like
funny.
right now I see items coming through my head that of things I forgot this morning, and it's like oh, I forgot that, oh, I forgot that, but it's like I'm gonna keep just trying to sleep well for a little bit, just to get a little bit more strength. But yeah, basically it's like in the futures I did very very poorly. So and you ask yourself
I
like,
got my order.
why did you do that?
Your order to what?
Got my partial, so I have two contract left, and then my reverse on there.
That one is for both Zach and I.
Nice.
Thank you. So I'm gonna trail my stop loss, but I don't know where. Why this see that I-
All right, so let's see. That's a pullback. I'm expecting Nvidia to not go below 184.40, 184.50. So let's see what it wants to do. The problem is that the futures right now are putting a lot of pressure toward the downside. I see that SPY is kind of rejecting that VWAP. Google is coming down, but like now it's coming back up. Like it didn't even want to test the 329, which is
Okay,
good.
so that
but
was too much. Too tight of a stop.
too
loss.
tight of stop loss. Okay.
Okay, I took another just for safety, and then I let the other one run.
That's my guy.
It's like too much of a big level and stuff. So,
So like I didn't tell you, like, but one of the reason like I took pills to sleep and things like that, like it's I'm working in my productivity a lot because I think right now I have my days full busy, but I am not being smart about where I am putting my time. So because of that, I have paused a couple things, but like I'm trying just to be more efficient with time. So like yesterday, I could come and trade after overnight, but like I say, you know what? Resting is gonna be better, and resting
Okay.
has been better, like for sure. For like, let's say this trade on Nvidia is fantastic. So, but Nvidia, what are you doing, my guy? Why are you keep going down there? You know what? I'm gonna be breaking even on Nvidia, and if we break the level, I'm gonna try to go. I'm gonna try to go with a better price. Right now, it's just not working. As I mean, it's working good. It's still printing, but like what I mean, I didn't expect a pullback before printing 185.70. Like I'm expecting the 186 to be taken down because that was a tape level, which means a daily level that then translate to a good entry, I would say.
Okay.
But yeah, let's see how we do. So Nvidia, come on, Nvidia, I want you to go to 185.70 soon, my guy. I need to partial. But on the stock trading, I have no red trades today. I went short, all green. I went long, all green. So that's fantastic.
okay. So let's see, if there's absorption, I'm gonna get out and flip maybe.
I don't think there will be, but we'll see.
You think it will still go long?
I think you will, but like, if I were you, I better listen to Marie than to me in that one.
Oh, I don't know about that.
At least about the future,
But
you know,
I-
because she have been more aligned with the future than me.
But like, I feel like it's gonna get stuck in between my two range,
Mm-hmm.
and that I can take advantage of that and shorting
Where
there.
your range is.
It's right where the price is,
Okay.
and the VWAP, and in the bottom is where I enter. So at 69.25.75. Okay, but it's breaking, so maybe not.
Mm-hmm.
Like right now, he has a 3 level to go through to really move. So
Mm-hmm.
risky. So that's why I took almost everything. Like he has VWAP 200 EMA and my 3 level. So if it goes through, it's
Mm-hmm.
really fun. So I recuperate everything from yesterday, so that's pretty good.
Good job. Hmm.
Okay, breaking my first level and 200 EMA. So how much contract do you have?
15.
200.
250?
15.
You added?
Nope.
No, she got in with 15 and her risk is 0. How can you price in that one, you know?
Okay, but you got in with 15, you took partial?
Nope.
No, she haven't done anything. She
Okay.
have 15 and her risk is literally 0 now.
Nice.
Like this lady, she have a special skill that shows that she's not at peace with it yet.
Hmm?
You are not at peace with your skill, but you do have that skill. It's like, don't get me wrong, in the stock you were doing the same, and that's what I was telling Zach at some point. Like, Zach and I were talking, and I say, look, sometimes I look at my risk screen, and I cannot determine where the heck did she get in or out, because you have so many freaking executions, but you know how to do that. Like, you are good doing that. So, when I do that, I second guess myself so much. But no, like freaking like she's 4 hours up right now, 15 contracts, 0 risk, and the price is quite far from her, you know.
Yeah.
You're printing a lot on that one with 15.
I was, and then what I did is I got out, like Davey said, it got me out in a weird position. And then I went in immediately on a pullback on the long. So then I lost 3 hours.
Mm.
So right now I've got,
Nice.
but what I'm realizing is that when you go in with 15, with 10, with 20, with whatever contract that we might be saying, that when it goes in and it's got a, you know what though?
I know. I'm
gonna move that
want to
one.
short, man.
Because I might be adding right there. Let's see what it's going to be. I just want to make sure I've got the right signal.
I don't want to bias you guys too much, but basically, in the futures, I wouldn't be looking short. Long, sorry, until we print higher prices. Like there is a very important price at 6,970. But yeah,
Yeah, I got out because it's sketchy.
so Zach, do you have any good stories?
Hmm.
Oh my god.
No.
I only do homework in my life, so don't have stories anymore.
Oh yeah.
You what did you say, Zach?
I only do homework in my life right now, so I
Oh.
don't have any good stories.
Zach, in Top Step, do you know if there is a way for me to put a timer for the session close, or there is no way to do that?
I don't know. If you go to plus add component.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Going to in every window there's a add component thing
Mm-hmm.
on the right, the top right.
Yeah, I see that.
Maybe you can find it there.
But like each window has a different component choices.
No, it's just to add another window.
Because if it's the same, I already tried that and it didn't work. Like for example, I have done,
I-
order, account, position,
same.
trades.
It is the same.
I like to get better at counting, like because with the futures, I still have problem calculating my risk.
6941.
So like yes, I can see it there, but sometimes if I say okay, I want to go here with this amount of contracts, and then I say like my risk roughly is going to be what? So like, and yeah, that has been a little bit tricky, but yeah. So Nvidia is having trouble to break the 185 right now. So that 185 is quite heavy, I will say. But on the tape here, if you look at the tape, we can see on the tape that we have 185, 75 lot. We have 185.20, 185.40, 185.50. So I have no strong reason to take my position out, especially because I am breaking even on that one. So the fact that I have no risk on this trade is telling me, you know what, just stay put there. You have nothing to lose. So like I already made some profit on Nvidia, so I have no reason why to not let it go wherever it wants to go. Of course, I know for sure that I want to partial at 185.70, but there is that I have been having trouble to get. So, but we trade Nvidia pretty good today, pretty damn good today. So for Nvidia, so the futures was the one that I did poorly. But Marie, what about you, Marie?
Now I'm pretty much even.
Even okay.
Yeah.
Zach, you're green or you're red today?
And 3R green.
Three are green. Holy crap! Look at you.
Good job, Zach.
Thank you, thank you.
So I'm just gonna take a quick look at the news. I want to see if there is any news coming out that we have to be aware or what. Like we have to be aware.
I'm flat on the week, so that's good because of yesterday and not trading on Monday. So. But, yeah.
Oh, that's true.
I don't see any news that we have to be aware right now. So unless Mr. Trump grab the mic. There we go. Nvidia is finally breaking those 185. Pretty good. So if I want to be a little bit more conservative, I can probably take a 185.50 partial. But then I see on the tape that we have sizes toward 190. We have 187, 188, 189. All those dollar move, like whole dollar price actions, like they all of them have sizes in there. So
Okay.
I probably just should stay quiet there and see what it wants to do.
So I'm gonna go, guys. I need to go to school, eat, and everything. So
Okay, so have a good one, my guy, and good job today on your trading.
Good job, Zach.
Hopefully tomorrow you can keep some of your profit, like for the week.
Yeah, it would be nice to have a couple $100 for the week. So,
Nice.
Woohoo!
but tomorrow I have a small day, so
Oh yeah, it's true. Yeah, nice.
like the problem was on Monday we didn't trade, so
Mhm.
like that was one of my full days. So,
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, market was close.
but,
Mm-hmm.
I see that my equity curve
Yeah.
is like going up, a bit down, up, a bit down, up, a bit down, up, a bit down. Yeah,
So basically, it's
it's
going
the right
more.
thing, I think.
Yeah, okay, it's going more up than down. That's what you mean, like
Mhm.
strengthening
Like,
for the upside.
Doing steps.
Nice. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So that's good.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, and today I got a pretty like I went long. Yeah, I went long too early. At 9:34.
Okay, yeah, let's go in there. You went long in 34.
So it was on my level, and I thought it could break to go touch my other level on top. But
Mhm.
then it reversed before,
Okay.
and then I got long at now it's the price I'm gonna tell you, 6,926. Partial when it touched.
Yeah, that was a
it
good
was
long
almost at
actually.
touch to partial when it was at 42. Added when it was at 29. And then took everything on the top at 46.50. And now it's still going up. But
You basically like you got the bottom of the bottom because I see the bottom here is 6,925 with 75 cents, and you got the 6,926. Did you say?
yeah, I get the bottom.
Holy crap, my guy! You are getting good.
And then I had it on the pullback of
Yeah, this one I remember that one.
1025.
Mhm.
I had it at like 6,930.
Yeah.
The bottom of that thing. Pretty good trade.
Nice job. Nice job. That's my guy. So
Good job, Zach.
So that trade was like 4 hours, I think. But I had 1 hour down. I'm sure.
nice.
Yeah, I need to go.
Okay.
Take care, guys. See you tomorrow.
Take care. You too, Zach.
Have fun, my guy.
Bye.
Nice
See you
to
tomorrow.
Hey, bye bye.
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 So I'm gonna be taking some partials on that Nvidia very soon. I see what it is pumping nice, you know. So Nvidia, come on, Nvidia. Still have your long. Let's see.
Mm-hmm. I'm just looking at my 1 hour.
So 15 contracts is your sweet spot.
Yes.
Nice.
Between 10 and 15.
10
5
is-
for me
is
is
too little.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right. Let's see what it does now. Nvidia at the 185. I'm gonna be partially. Hmm. I just partially there because if you go back to the VWAP, I will be willing to add. I actually gonna drop off an order just to add some at the VWAP, which is 184.77. So, and I'm gonna have a tight stop loss on that one if ever you get there. So 184.7. There we go. And I wanna add. All right. So let's see. That chart is not that clean, so ideally
On which one?
my charts for Nvidia, look, my charts in general are not that clean. So
Okay.
okay, there we go. I'm gonna have an ad at the VWAP, as I say. Okay, it didn't give me the ad by the penny, so it's okay. We're gonna keep it like that. Come on, Nvidia. Just go lower, a little bit lower. I need the ad. All right. So it is bouncing, Nvidia is bouncing from the 185 quite well. It didn't give me the ad by the penny, but like I don't want to jump on it without having a better reason. So
Are we able to? I just,
a little break?
well,
Yeah, for sure.
actually, I need to, but
Yeah.
you don't need to.
yeah, good. Okay, we're gonna be back in a minute. All right, I'm back. So let's see. As I say, Nvidia doesn't want to go lower a bit now. So I'm still breaking even on that trade. Nvidia is trying to go lower, but like there is a very decent trade going on right here. So I could add probably, but I would like to look at SPY before. Let's see SPY. How is SPY handling that? Yeah, SPY is kind of holding the VWAP for a little bit.
Mm,
So, do you have a trade? No, you don't have a trade.
no.
Right now it's at 185 on Nvidia, so I'm gonna add right there. I'm gonna add, and I'm just gonna have a tighter stop loss because it doesn't make sense that I risk a lot on that one. Like it's really not going that lower, and like I'm still below the level.
So when we're looking at the sector map, are
Yeah, yeah, we are,
yeah. So when we're looking at the sector map, very, 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 very green. There's not a whole lot that is not green.
Yeah, like basically what's the financial at the right?
No, that's real estate.
Real estate, okay.
But financial, as really this morning was red, but now is coming back quite nicely.
Right, I'm gonna be breaking even on that trade. I don't like the way it's looking. So break even. Yeah, there we go. We are breaking even in this trade. We are a little bit too close from the VWAP. If we come down, test the VWAP. Now that I add, it's gonna be. I won't be happy about that. So if I let it go too far, so let's see if it wants to pierce the high one more time. But it doesn't seem like if it wants to go to 187, like 185.70 right now.
Okay.
So, I think like a real estate, they are trying to pass a law about Wall Street to not be able to do certain acquisitions for houses, like
Oh,
single family
really?
houses. So maybe that's why that sector is red today, but I really don't know why. But like
We didn't have numbers on real estate today?
no, that was yesterday. We have
Okay.
home selling, home
And
sales
that was
pending.
lower, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was lower by a lot.
Mm-hmm. And that is kind of, we can look at that, right? So, could explain.
Yeah, like construction spending month to month was minus 0.6%. Not too bad, almost flat. But pending home sales, the consensus was 0.3%, and the actual number is negative 9.3%. So housing for sure, housing is taking a hit there. So, but basically, you can ask yourself like for example, this is home sales. It's no home permits, something like that. So basically, this is suggesting that people are not buying as many houses as previously. So like literally 9% down is quite a lot, for the housing market. So and yeah, that's a big chunk of it. That's
I
probably why
feel that it
red.
is, right? Very, very.
Man, do I want to take my Nvidia out there and be happy for the day, or like let it be, or do I want to let it go? Actually, I'm risking nothing, and I already have some profit, so probably I should be just holding and partially at 185.70, and then whatever it does is whatever it does.
I like it.
Nice.
So now I've lost all the profit that I had made, and right now I should have kept my short and just stayed there.
Yeah.
But I so wanted to get that reverse, so but got burned. So now I'm waiting for the consolidation period, like to go in on the consolidation period was suicide, but I'm gonna wait till the consolidation is done on the future and see what it wants to do. Are we ever going to exhaust our sellers?
I will after the day is done, Like I gonna be leaving a position, like not a position. It's gonna be an order open for the futures.
Oh, okay.
But I gonna go to sleep normally, and I won't look at it. It's gonna be everything is gonna be set up. No, yeah, like we can do that with this thing because it manage everything. So you just have to leave your order, and then you do the rest. So, but because today it didn't print the level I was looking for the short, and because of that, I would like to leave an order. It's a little order. It's a very small order for the short, for the futures, and let's see tomorrow what he have done. If he get me out, it's okay. I can still trade it. Like, but yeah.
So where would I remove my entries for to get rid of some of the noise?
Yeah, because for you it's a lot, I see.
Yeah, well, that has to change, right?
So if you
Because
go-
we've got 50 contracts, so I have to change that. Okay,
So if you go here, in either of
what
them,
I want to do here.
so if you go chart and data,
Sure.
and then you say like what is it? Show chart execution. Then you just remove that. Then you save it, and that's it. Yeah, I understand it's very noisy for you. Like
Yes, but the way that I've been performing today, like it's been more of, hey, look at. I hope it's going to be able to save that.
well, I think once you go to the other screen, it's gonna remove it from all of them.
It shouldn't though, because it's there now.
Yeah, to be honest, I don't know how they are saving the layout on that one.
Uh-huh.
And this thing is no, Nvidia is not really having any momentum toward the upside right now. So we're gonna have to wait. But yeah, it's just like barcoding for now. My notes. Yeah, it's okay. I think they are upstairs.
Oh, your book.
Yeah, I need to write down a couple things, but like I have. Please remember to not close this thing before I took the notes. If ever you see me close it.
Okay. Absolutely. I can do that.
Come on, Nvidia. So sometimes you only have to exercise your patience. Like that's kind of what I'm doing here with my Nvidia. Like I am breaking even on this trade. So as a human being, I'm losing patience. So basically I'm saying like, hey, you know what, this thing is not moving. Just take that 1 hour and walk away from it. But the reality is that I am risking nothing there because I am breaking even. So
Yep.
my stop loss is at break even. I already made some profit. So the right things that I'm supposed to be doing right now is to let it go wherever it wants to go. If he get me out, I'm losing nothing. If he go back up, I can have a very juicy trader. Why do I know that I can have? There is some potential to go way higher, because on the tape here, like we can see, like I know in the mobile version you guys don't see the tape, but in the full screen version you can see that we have orders at 185.50. We have orders at 185.50 in both tapes. Then we have 186. I have 187, 188, 189. We have sizes up to 190, up to 195. I do not dream that the trade is gonna get to 195, but I have a good expectations that it can go at least to like the high of the day, let's say like to 186. That
Okay.
would be decent. We can take a partial there and let the rest go wherever it wants to go. Well, yeah, like just to be, like to not do anything because there is no risk in the line. So that's an exercise.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
We.
You know, when you were saying earlier you were frustrated,
Yeah.
my level is getting there.
Yeah, we like with the futures we have to be even more patient.
Absolutely. So I was really patient for the short, waited for it, did not flip, did not go long, but then after that, when I lost all the profit on the flipping
Yeah.
and going long, I got upset.
Like basically like imagine that like I have no trades. So for the futures. Like I mean I did trade already the futures, but I got smoke trading the futures for like third time now. So basically like my levels to take a trade, like let's say if I want to go short, I can justify this level here because I had a level there, and I like the one that I should be going the heaviest is supposed to be this one, but like I didn't do I didn't wait for them because I didn't wait for them, like is the only reason why I am a little bit annoyed by that. But if not, like a red day in trading is just a red day, you know. Like you got a red day here and there, and that's part of the deal. And like, but the fact that I didn't wait for the levels to be traded correctly, that's what is adding like some of bad, you did bad there, you did poorly or whatever. What about my Google? Let's see Google. What is Google right now? Google is fighting with the 330. Google, there we go. Oh, I don't know how to type today. What is going on with the Google? I'm sorry. Yeah, I was trying to go too fast. So, yeah, so you see, like, it's not even interacting with the 329. That's the level that I say Google on a daily basis. In a daily basis, for me to be confident that my long is still valid for Google, I have to be able to look at it every day and say, you know, it's trading above 329. This is a beautiful trade that we took a couple weeks ago. I am in Google since a couple weeks ago. So we took it at 315, but like way lower, way longer ago, from here. We took it right here. So we have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like about 15 days. So, and we are printing good on that one, but we want to be efficient with at what price we are coming out of that trade. So my target for Google is 346. Let's see how long it takes to get there, but for sure, like that's a good trade already. Like, you know, we are printing good money on that one, and yeah, it's, I was lucky probably.
Oh,
So-
as if you were lucky.
Yeah, you know, don't take too much credit for whatever you do. Like, yes, like I have confidence on it, but like, it's there are so many variables that are just out of your hands that sometimes to say like, haha, look at how good I am. It's like, well, like you are not really that good. You were just at the right place at the right moment. So,
Or maybe as well, analyze things properly. Both are there, right?
yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's and Nvidia, come on, Nvidia. 185 holding quite good. We have double shield in the 185. Like 185.02 have 69 lot and it's ramping it up little by little. Then we have 185.01 with 22 lot, and the 185.00 have 163 lot. That's looking pretty good, you know, looking quite bullish. So if you break that, it's almost for sure that it will get me out.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm just trying to hold it and see if it works or if it doesn't. So you have a long right now, a long or a short? A
Long.
long. Where it has a long in the equities, like in the future, sorry. So she's going long on S&P 500. So I have a question. As I am working in my productivity, like if you say about in a general perspective, like what is the best way to measure your productivity? Let's say we have point A to point B, so we want to make it from point A to point B. And let's say we have like roughly, let's say you have 1 week to get from point A to point B. Will you measure your productivity based in what percentage you advance per day toward your B? Or would you measure, like let's say, even if you didn't get that much progress, but you did like I don't know, like you work, yeah, like I think if you don't measure your advancement, it's hard to say, but like how will you do that? I know that you at some point were working with people with performance and things like that.
Well, it always
So-
depends, right? So what it depends upon is what KPI are you measuring? So is the KPI is it going to be I'm going to get to point B and that's a KPI, or is it how I got to point B, and the how to get to point B, does it have any value? So you're able to get maybe from A to B very quickly, but is it reproducible? So I'll give you an example. You know what I'm going to get from, as an example, I'm going to be in very high operational mode. So in that case, it would be when I had those renovations from store to store to store to store. So I'd be very productive on a very short time frame to attain those goals, but there's no way that I would be able to sustain them, because there's no way that I'm able to continue doing this just sleeping 5 hours a day, as an example. So yes, I'm able to attain that B, but I'm breaking all the rules to attain that B. So the rules of, hey, I want to have a good, eat well for myself. I would like to sleep well. I would like to meditate, as an example, during my day to calm myself. All those, they're out the door. But I got to point B.
Okay, so basically, if I follow correctly what you are saying, you're supposed to have like a performance mode where you are like, let's say this week we are specifically following this task, though maybe next week we are just resting and recuperating from whatever job we did, and then you will only measure the period where you are in performance mode, because the other one you needed as a natural human being to keep functioning.
Well, the issue is that, so is it that you want to be a sprinter, or do you want to be a marathonist? So the sprint is, yeah, I perform well, I rest, I perform well, I rest. Or a marathon is I perform to the top of what I'm capable of doing, but maintain all of my discipline within it. So there's definitely two ways of doing that.
Yeah, that makes it a little bit harder to measure, because, for example, like let's say the whole goal is not to be, because it's almost impossible to be at 100% of your peak. Like it's just impossible to be like 100% all the time.
No.
So, but what I mean is like we understand that we have to sleep, that we have to do all those things, and like we have to eat properly and blah blah blah. But let's say to do that correctly, like to be able to sleep correctly, to be able to eat correctly, you have to have also a like me, I don't have it as a natural thing. So like I have a tendency to, I want to get this done this week. And because I want to get this done this week, yes, I was very efficient in getting the task done. But next week I need to rest.
Correct.
So in that case, when I try to put them together, I understand that the taking care of myself is gonna absorb so much resources from my performance that then my performance is not going to be accurate because I am just using too much time and resources for my performance.
So
to
is there a
be-
sweet spot?
Okay.
So
Yes.
if it's not a performance, so as an example, if it's not an exception, so you know what, I had my week plan, but my car broke down, my house flooded, my this, my that.
That's the accident. Like that.
That is out of the planification that you had. So when you go out of the planification that you had, then to say, hey, I did not sleep at all this week, but I'm going to next week recuperate and drop a couple of things off.
Okay.
Those are the outside of your planification. But when they talk about operational efficiency or for you to be at the peak, it's to find the sweet spot to execute the best that you can. But the number one is the recuperation. So for you to be the best that you can, your brain, your body, your mind, your spirit, your emotions, your everything, they say that you need a minimum of this to maintain.
Yeah.
So it could be fuel, it could be sleep, it could be whatever. If you're able to do that and say, yeah, you know what, I'm not able to do maybe 10 hours every day, but I want to get, and I can't get my 8, I'll get my 7, I'll eat at this. And yes, I'm not at my peak, but I might be, like you say, at 80%. It's when we drop below that we need to literally slow down to recuperate.
Got you.
That's when you lose the operational efficiency.
So that being said, all what she's saying, just say, I'm pretty bad to manage those things.
I don't think so. You say
I
you're
don't-
bad, but I
even
don't
like
believe
it how
that.
it sounds. Like to put those things together is like you don't mix those things. You know, sleeping is sleeping, resting is resting, and to be saying like, oh,
It's hard,
I'm not gonna do
especially
my
when you're
work.
younger, because
Yeah.
you don't feel it as much, right? And I agree with you. I agree with you totally.
Like to me, to not finish a task because I have to sleep. I don't like to the way it feels, you know. So it's just I feel
And we say that, right?
We are-
Tomorrow's another day.
yeah, exactly.
Right? Tomorrow's another day, but no. You know, this needs to be done today. It never needs to.
But
like
you
I said,
come
the
tomorrow and
ones-
you have whatever you didn't get done for the day before, plus whatever you already have planned for that day, you know.
and
So
that's where you need
why,
to
like,
manage.
then
You're correct.
you are like adding to your inefficiency because you are adding tasks that you didn't finish the day before. So, but yeah,
Agreed.
thank you for your insight. I will see how I measure that, but like I am working on that. I need to be more efficient with my time. So, but yeah. So basically, Nvidia here just like to not lose track of my trades. So Nvidia is popping up quite well right now. So I will be taking partial very soon on Nvidia. We have done very good on the stocks today. So that price right there that Nvidia is fighting with right now, like basically the 185.50, is the actual pre-market high. We didn't went too much above that at the open, though we pierced it. So I think there is some healthy buyers. And I can see right now that 189 is ramping up his size or its size. I don't know if it's a computer, I don't know if it's a human being, I don't know what it is.
Okay.
But I know that at 190 right now, the lot that was there was roughly 500, something like that. Right now we have 1,000 lot at 190, 1,023 on Arca, and on Linet we have nothing yet. So yeah, this trade is looking good. It's looking very good.
Okay.
We're gonna have to keep an eye on it just to like now we have 186, have 1,000 lot too. Well, 994. So we're gonna have to partial because yeah, that tape is looking good, but I don't want to wait for the tape to flip before I actually decide to do something with it, you know. So just take another partial. It's gonna be good profit for the day, and we're gonna let it go breaking even, and then it will do whatever it wants to do. But for sure, let's see how it does. I know you are printing very good right now, Marie, but as I mentioned, like maybe partially is a good idea. You know?
Yep, I'm gonna partial at the top of the candle.
Like
here.
I don't want to influence you too much, but
Oh no, it's not an influence. I think
and
that's
I
why
think if
we
you just
trade
partial
together.
there, you are able to like to
Right,
even
so-
push it more if you want to.
Because what happens is that's why we trade, right? As a in a community, or we have somebody else is to remind, like Zach constantly reminding you of,
Yeah.
hey, my God, did you partial? I think it's important that we are able to call each other out.
Yeah,
And
and
say,
anybody that
"Hey."
come to the channel or the chat, like you supposed to be feeling free to say, hey, my guy, like you are wrong there. Like why did you took that trader? And it doesn't mean I will change my opinion, but it will mean I can share with you whatever I am seeing, and maybe you will look
Absolutely.
at like you will make me look at it differently.
Differently, exactly.
Because hey, the more eyes we
this
have
is
in the same
important.
item, the more details we are able to appreciate.
Absolutely.
So we really appreciate any insight from people. So thank you everybody for being there. So NVDA.
Okay,
So the future is looking like if it wants to go higher,
I did take a partial.
you took
there.
a partial. Nice. Java, Java. Okay, Nvidia. Nvidia is popping. I won't overwhelm my luck. I just gonna take a partial very soon. And as I say, then we are still breaking even, but like I just want to protect a little bit more of that profit because yeah, it makes no sense to let it go back. Come on, Vidya, you can do it. Google, yeah, Google just keep going higher. That's pretty good. Come on, Google, a little bit higher. No, Nvidia. Yeah, across that level, my guy, and I'm gonna take my partial.
Nice.
I
Go,
have
Davey, go.
hands on the wheel. This Nvidia trade have been very slow, like very slow trade. And,
It has been.
Yeah. But I haven't taken that. I taken a single loss on it, so I need.
Hey,
We write it down. We write it up.
I like that. He did the dragon.
Though I see today, like I have to put more work in the pre-market, like knowing the pre-market price action. But like let's say before we start the show, we work in the levels a bit, so we have to look at hey how this is looking like, at what level would you like to go long, what level would you like to go short. There is a lot of, sometimes it's more than an hour working on those things. But what I see today, the only reason why I was able to reverse on NVIDIA was because I had a previous level that was worked out. I worked on it like last Sunday. So I had it there and I said, this have a lot of value. So why I don't do this more often? So, or more of this specifically. There we go.
Nice. How's the headache?
Oh, it's still there, you know.
It is, eh?
Yeah, it's kind of annoying, but hey, it's okay. All right, come on, NVIDIA. Go back up, back up. To be honest, in the long term, like for the long term perspective, I have a long time that I already want to see NVIDIA trading above $200 because NVIDIA, we know, like this company is like the stars of the stars. Like, I mean, they are making a lot of money. They are developing a lot of technologies. Like, it doesn't mean that it will go all the time higher, no. Like, but it's just like other companies that are not doing as good. Like, let's say, of course, it's not comparable. Like, but Tesla, like for example, Tesla back roughly at $400, something like that. So it's like the PE ratio of Tesla is like, if I'm not mistaken, Zach was
I
saying
thought you said 300.
300, something like that.
Did I seem to remember 300?
So, like, we can even drop it a notch and say it will be only 200, but even 200, that's is huge. Like 200 PE ratio for Tesla is like, man, like
Crazy.
And what I was talking with Zach about those PE ratio is that maybe we cannot use the PE ratio as a value storage indicator or variable, because like it go off so much in certain stocks that, hey, like, you know, it's and probably there is something else that people are looking more as a how expensive this is. But we were looking at the PE ratios, like, let's say, you know, SPY, like normally SPY hold a decent PE ratio, like high would be like 30. But 200 is a lot, you know.
Oh, that's huge.
Like, if at any point Tesla will pull back something like 50%, like, people will say, oh, it's expected, you know. It's like it was having that type of, though they have this robotaxi thing that is going bizarre-cool. Like, I mean, if Tesla managed to pull out the robotaxi for good, with good biofence and things like that, it's just amazing. Bye-bye Waymo, bye-bye Uber. Oh yeah.
Or they'll just buy from them.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, but buying from them doesn't mean that they will make as much as they are making right now, because right now, like, Uber is a very profitable company. Though it is held, institutionally talking, is the heaviest company that I know that is the institutions are holding, like roughly, I think it's like 80% to 90% is
Wow.
held by institutions.
Partial. I got a level of parceling at 58. But partial.
Nice. There we go. That's how she do it. So I'm gonna clear up those levels in order to force myself to redo them later. Like, because it's gonna change. If you keep breaking through, those levels will change for sure. So,
Agreed.
yeah.
Did you want to wrap it up?
Yeah, we're gonna start wrapping it up. We basically trade here from 9 a.m. to 11:30. In the future, that may change, but for now, it's only until 11:30.
Exactly.
So, yeah. So basically, for the futures, I'm gonna wrap it up the futures a little bit faster because I did big mistakes with the futures. So, in the futures, I finished red. This thing just blocked me. It's just yeah, bad trading for me in the futures. So I short. No, I went long, partial. Then I add to the long and took a loss, breaking even here. Then I long again, took a bigger loss. So the future just didn't work, you know, like it was because I made mistakes. Because I say like, what are you trading there, my guy? Like, did it touch the yellow line? No. Did it touch the other yellow line here? Like, there's supposed to be another one. Right here. Actually, there was a line there, but yeah, whatever. So futures, like I did poorly there, as I say. So yeah, just a bad decision there. So, but then for Nvidia, so let's go to the stocks. Here is what I did pretty good today, and yesterday too I did pretty good on Nvidia. So in Nvidia we went short at 186. So then we partial here, we add to the short, then we add more to the shorts, we partial again,
Nice.
add to the short, partial again.
Look at your partials and add.
Yeah, it was a good trade. So we came out all the way here. So that's only one trade. In the highest one we came
Very
out.
nice trading, Davey.
And then I say, you know what, this thing is holding a major level here at 184.46. So I decided to go long at 184.34. So I went long right here. Then we partial here, add to the long, partial here, and we are
you're
holding the
still-
rest, breaking even. So, but I'm done for the day basically. So it was a good trading day.
That was a
in
really
general.
good one there.
So, but we're gonna have to keep working on that because I have to say, like today, I had a little headache and I wasn't that patient with the futures. So with Nvidia, I have been patient. That was good. So we did very good on Nvidia, but I have to keep the good habits. So what about you, Marie? It's gonna be tough to describe Marie's one because Marie have taken a lot
Yeah,
of trades
it's going to
today,
be
like
very,
a lot of
very,
trades.
a lot of trade.
But
And
like,
that's not good because...
Can you summarize it in a way that we are able to understand?
Absolutely. So this morning I went short at 6960.50.
Roughly.
That
here.
was my short.
Yeah.
And I got out of my short. The level that I had was 69, but as you saw, it was taking partial on the way down. I was
Yeah.
able to make 8 Rs, and I got out of the trade. That was right. So it wicked down at 6925, but I got out at 6927. So that was an 8-hour trade. So then I wanted to flip and I wanted to wait, but I did not wait. So I kept going. I was waiting for the signal, but I kept going in a period of consolidation. So I got wicked once, wicked twice, wicked
That's
3
about
times, wicked 4 times. Yes. So that would be about
Yeah, that's the part. where Zach was going long. Zach went long here.
And I went long too.
Marie went long too, but like
But I kept being wicked out. So I took 1 hour loss, 2 hour loss, 3 hour loss, 4 hour loss. So that wasn't good. And now I've calmed down and said, okay, whoa, take 1 at the bottom. And I did. Wait for your signal. Take your trade already. Stay in. And right now I've got 4 hours
Yeah,
with
she
a
went
stop loss of
right
2
here.
hours.
nice.
So if it stops me out, I'm even for the day, which is great. Way too much trading. My goal is not to be trading going in like this and going out. The first trade was beautiful. Hands crossed as the levels were being attained, taking the partial, getting out at the bottom and cross here. But no, I kept wanting to catch and ride the dragon. But it was in a period of consolidation. I should have waited and crossed my hands.
Like
But I
basically,
did not.
just
so
to clarify, because you say
Over
something
trading.
there.
Over trading.
When she say that she have a loan with 2 hours, like she's protecting 2 hours. It's not that she's risking 2 hours, so she's in the money right now, roughly 3 hours something, and she's protecting 2 of
2
those
hours.
3 hours.
Mm-hmm.
So which will put her at least green for the day.
Correct.
So yeah, like Marie trade a little bit different than me. So Marie
But
take
today was over trading. Way over trading.
okay.
I need to
Yeah.
reel that in.
Oh, okay. So she's saying it that way. It's a good thing. It's like because
Yes.
But I find it's part of your style too, and that's why I
To
kind
a
of say.
certain extent, but these are futures. These are not penny stocks.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes,
so
it's,
I have like what happened is my frustration of not getting the dragon correctly. I started to trade my P&L, and when that happens, it's in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out in a period of consolidation. So I need to. This is not even if I end up green. It wasn't a good execution in my day.
Like basically, you feel that you already went about the over trading. Like I think, like let's say if your execution is 100 trades per day, you already feel that I went more than this. You know?
Yeah, and really, what it should be to do it well, it should be about 50 to 60 contracts. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm definitely about that today. So no, that was not good execution. The consolidation period of going in and out. That won't happen. I hope that it will not happen.
Understood.
Yes, so
So-
I will end up green today, but that doesn't mean it was a good execution. The first one, perfect. The last one, perfect. The one in betweens,
Yeah.
no. Because the first one was literally an execution of 5. The last one is going to be an execution of 5. So between there is 80.
Yeah.
So no. Be patient, wait for your levels, and execute your plan
Your
at
plan,
those
yeah.
levels. So that's it. That's it for me.
Perfect. So, but you did good. You did very good. So, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching, people. Thank you for subscribing. We really appreciate it. And in general, we're gonna try to bring more quality content to you and clear trading ideas, because I know that sometimes I am not as clear communicating what is my idea. Like today, I think I did okay with NVIDIA. But yeah, we want to improve, and we want to be able to share and receive information. Like for example, the same thing, like see your dimension. Like, okay, guys, like why are you taking that trade? Like you can question us. You can say like, why are you doing
Where
that?
do you see that? And Zach does that a lot, right?
The same thing.
Okay,
with
why do
being
you
red or
see
green.
that there?
If we are red, we are clearly saying, hey, we are red. Like, I had a horrible week this week, but it was just like, just yesterday, I blew off a lot of profit. And, but that was a mistake. That was just a mistake. So, like, it's still, like, I can handle it because I had a decent profit, but like, but it's not the right thing to do. So what I say, we are transparent in the matter, like, if we do mistakes, you're gonna be able to see it, and like because it's what it is, you know. Like trading.
We're
is not-
trading live here.
Trading is not easy. It's
No.
it's a hard job to
And
do.
a lot of times it's about sharing, right? So
Yeah, exactly. So, but yeah, So feel free to add your dimension, and thank you for watching. And I hope you have a good day. Thank you everybody for being there, and we're gonna be back tomorrow, Friday finally. Huh? Bye.
Bye.